This smart heater responds to simple voice commands given through Alexa or Google Assistant, so you can operate it hands-free whenever you need it. You'll also love the sleek, slim frame that helps it fit aesthetically and spatially practically anywhere. The carry handle for portability, wobble-free base, and other safety features allow you to use and move the heater safely throughout the house. Plus, there's no installation needed. Download the free Atomi Smart app to your phone to set schedules for the heater to pre-warm your home gym, small office space, and other rooms in the house before you enter. And at the end of the day, turn off any smart heaters placed throughout the house from the comfort of your bed. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The beeping sound has been removed, acting on important customer feedback. We have listened and made a hardware update that has removed the beeping sounds made by this heater. The Atomi Smart Tabletop Heater now operates silently. Number 2. Wi-Fi enabled and voice activated. Control your heater from your phone anytime. Turn the heater on/off. Change temperature, create schedules, and more using the free Atomi Smart app. Also works via simple voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant. Number 3. Safety and stability. Receive an instant phone notification if the heater tips over. Also has built-in overheat protection, cool touch housing and handle, a wobble-free base, and a 360-degree tip-over safety switch. Works on any floor surface, including carpet, ETL certified. Number 4. Large touchscreen panel. Can use without the app. Digital display and manual control pad features buttons for turning the heater on, off, changing the temperature, switching between 3 modes: high, low, and eco, setting the timer, and turning oscillation on/off. Number 5. Heats quickly. Whisper quiet 15 watts PTC ceramic heating technology warms the surrounding air to 70 degrees in 2 seconds flat. Provides heat for rooms up to 750 square feet. Wide-angle oscillation warms up every corner of your room. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How do you connect to Smart Life? Answer. Your heater connects to the free Atomic Smart app, available on iOS or Android. Question number 2. Can you plug it in and use it without the Wi-Fi feature? Answer. Yes, this can be operated as a standalone tabletop heater in addition to Wi-Fi control. Question number 3. Would this work with a 200 square foot room? What is the lowest wattage to the highest wattage? Answer. Yes, this should work well. It ranges from 1000 watts to 1500 watts. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.